An ID card or identity card is a document which is required to prove a person's identity. In any company or organization, ID card is issued to all the employees. If we will hire a vendor to do this job, lots of cost will be involved. In today's video, we will see how we can create bulk identity cards. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. These are few identity cards which I have created in advance. Few pictures of these cards are in rectangular shape, few are in circle and few are in some different shape. You will also notice watermark of my logo. Even I have inserted my signature in all the cards. Just to tell you in advance, the formatting part is going to take some time. Once the formatting will be done, ID cards will be created just in a single click. Just to add, in case you skipped the video and missed any step, don't blame me later that you are not able to create the ID cards properly. Now we will see what all things we will need to create an identity card. To create the card, we will need employee pictures, a blank Word file, employee ID card details in an Excel file. The details which we need in Excel file is employee number or ID, name of the employee, designation, department, blood group, valid till. Apart from employee details, we will need a logo. We will need a signature. Let's start creating our new ID cards. I'll open the blank Word file. We will go in layout, margins, and we will select narrow from here. Now we will go in insert, table. We will select 3 from here and 3 from down. We will insert it. I'll reduce size of the page. Now we will select the tables. We will go in home and we will select no spacing from here. Now we will go in layout and we will increase the size of the table. I reduce size of the page. In one page, we are going to create nearly 9 ID cards. This is done. We will go in home again and from here we will select normal. I'll increase size of the page. We have to do formatting just in one box. I'll go in insert, shapes. I'll select rectangular shape over here. We will remove the border, no outline. I'll take this little bit up. One thing you will have to keep in mind that the edges of your shape should not touch these lines. We will click on the box or the shape. We will right click the mouse and we will add text over here. Office Monk. We will click on the box. We will go in home and we will change the font style. Now we will insert our logo. Insert pictures, picture from file, and we will select our logo over here. Logo is too big. We will right click the mouse. We will go in wrap text in front of text. Now we will resize it. We will put our logo over here. We will copy our logo. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We will increase the size. We will place this in center. We will double click on the picture. We will go in picture format, transparency, and we will make it transparent because we want to make this watermark. We will type identity card over here. We will select this and we will place this in center. We will leave some space over here, means just under the identity card for the photograph or the picture. We will type name over here, designation, department. To come down, we will not press enter. We will just double click the mouse and our cursor will be on the desired place. Blood. We will double click over here. Valid till. Manager signature. We will take this down. We will take this down too. We will decrease the space. Over here also, we will decrease the space. We will click down and over here we will insert office address. We will select this and we will decrease the size. We will take this in center. Now we will select this and we'll change the font. We will keep Times New Roman. I'll select this, I'll underline and we'll make it bold. We will take this little bit down. We will go in mailing tab. Over here you will see update labels, but it's not activated. To activate it, we will have to go in start mail merge. We will have to select labels. Over here we will get two options of half letter. One is for portrait mode and the other one is for landscape mode. We are creating our ID cards in portrait mode, so we will be selecting portrait one. First one is portrait mode, height is 8.5 and width is 5.5. The other one is for landscape mode, height is 5.5 and width is 8.5. So we will select the first one and we will do OK. We will do OK. All the things will vanish. Now we have to give command and that is Ctrl Z, means undo. We will close this. Update labels is activated now. We will click over here and you will notice that all the ID cards got updated, means all the labels got updated. One thing you will also notice that there's no space under the office address. So to insert the space, we will give command Z. We will come over here. We will double click over here and we will go in home. We will type a dot over here and we will make it white so that it will not be visible. Now we will come in our mailing tab and we will update the labels. So all the identity cards got updated. You can see over here. Now we will attach our Word file with Excel so that identity cards get created just in a single click. I'll increase the size of the page. I'll come up. My watermark is looking too dark. I'll click over here. I'll go in picture format, transparency, and I'll make it little bit more transparent. I'll come in mailing tab and I'll update labels once again. Now it's looking proper. We will be in mailing tab and we will go in select recipients. You will get few options over here like create a new list, use an existing list. So we have to select use an existing list. I'll click over here. I'll select my file, means my Excel file. I'll open it. Here you will get a pop-up. You have to click on yes. Here you will get an option of tabs. We will also have to select the proper tab of Excel file which contains employee data. We will click OK. We will close this. We will click in front of name. We will give some space. We will come over here, insert merge field. From here we will select the name, designation, department. We will select department from here. Blood, we will select blood group from here. Valid till, we will go in insert merge field and we will select valid till. Now we will insert manager signature over here. We will go in insert pictures, picture from file, and we will select our transparent signature over here. We will right click on the picture, wrap text in front of text, and we will resize it. So we have resized the signature. We will go up and we will insert our signature over here. In case you want to change the color of your signature, you will have to double click on the signature. You will be diverted to picture format, color, and we will select the desired color. So my signature became blue. We will close this. We will come up. If you want to know how to create such a signature, you can check video on my channel. So all the things got inserted apart from picture. We will come in mailing tab and we will update labels once again. We will click over here and we will see the preview. So we can see updated names along with designation, department, blood group, and manager's signature. So our identity card is nearly created. We will come over here, finish and merge. And we will click on edit individual documents. We will click over here and all the identity cards got created. Now we will insert picture over here. We will go in insert pictures, picture from file. We will open the folder of employee pictures and we will select the picture of the employees. So first employee is Barry. We will select the picture of Barry, insert. Picture is too big. We will right click on the picture, wrap text in front of text, and we will resize the picture. We will take this up and we will position over here. We will take this little bit up. We will double click on the picture and we will be diverted to picture format. We will give outline. We will make outline as black. So our picture is inserted over here. I'll increase the size and I'll show you. So identity card of Barry is created now. We will insert couple of more pictures. We will decrease size. Picture of him, okay. Insert picture, picture from file, and we will select picture from here. We will right click on the picture, wrap text in front of text, and we will resize it. Picture seems too big. We will crop it. We will click over here, crop. We will click on the drop down, crop to shape, and we will select circle over here. We will click on crop once again and we will crop it properly. We will give outline as black. We will click outside. We will resize the picture and we will insert at our desired place. I'll insert one more picture over here. Picture from file. I'll select some big picture over here. I'll insert it. Right click on the picture. Wrap text in front of text. I'll take this little bit this side. We will double click the picture and we will crop it. Crop to shape and I'll select some other shape over here. I'll give this outline. We will click on crop once again and we will crop it little bit more. We will click on the picture and we will take it in center. Now we will resize it. And we will put it over here. I'll increase the size and I'll show you. So ID cards are ready now. In the same way, you will have to insert picture in all the identity cards. Once all the pictures are inserted, you are ready to save the pictures. You will have to go in File, Save As, Identity Card with Pictures. We will save it to our desired place, Save. And our file is saved now. I'll show you how it looks now. This is the file which we have created right now. We had inserted only 3 pictures, so we are able to see only 3 pictures. In the same way, you will have to insert all the pictures and your ID card will be ready. I am sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.